Fuel POS is the industry-leading electronic point-of-sale system which helps you manage all aspects of your fuel and retail business. It combines an easy-to-use touchscreen interface with powerful management and analytical software tools. It allows you to connect seamlessly with all other systems on your service station, including dispensers, indoor and outdoor payment, CCTV, tank level gauges, price pole sign, back office and car wash. This level of integration makes life easier, helping to provide you and your staff with more time to better serve your customers. The Fuel POS sales screen has been carefully designed with the layouts based on field studies and input from users' experience. It is easy for staff to use with clear icons, audible alerts and simple pop-up windows, minimising the number of keystrokes. Within any sales process, only the relevant buttons are highlighted to simplify use of the system. Fuel POS clearly offers all of the features that a retailer would expect from a leading supplier of forecourt technology. So we'll now highlight some of the more specific features that set Fuel POS apart in the petroleum market. With Fuel POS, it is possible to utilise prepaid and pre-authorised fillings. With a prepaid filling, the value can be currency or fuel volume and can be made mandatory in either day or night mode. An indoor card pre-authorised filling, similar to an outdoor payment terminal, can also be launched at the till, with no necessity for the customer to return to the shop after filling. As part of the prepayment types of transaction, it is also possible to add dry stock items using the scanner or via Fuel POS multi-layered quick choice keys. Once all of the customer's chosen purchases have been added, then the sales assistant can view the subtotal transaction before choosing the necessary tender type and finalising the transaction. Within a restaurant environment, it is possible to use Fuel POS as a full menu and table management solution. Transactions can be linked to up to 64 restaurant tables, with the ability to suspend and resume transactions. Partial payments can be taken throughout the transaction, useful if a member of the party has finished their meal and needs to continue their journey. It is possible to have a variable number of levels per menu: starter, main course, dessert, and the selection of an item can be made optional or mandatory for each one of these levels. A key feature is the ability to have a fixed menu price independent of the pricing for selected items, similar to the meal deal offer in the convenience sector. This also allows the flexibility to offer both fixed and variable items within, say, a cheese sandwich, giving the sales assistant the ability to add additional fillings. At every level, full stock control is possible via the ICASA back office system. Queuing is a key frustration for consumers, and the Fuel POS self-checkout kiosk is a simple solution to this problem. A self-checkout solution is ideal for consumers with small baskets and strong card payment usage. This makes it ideally suited to the fuel retail sector. The Fuel POS self-checkout solution allows retailers the option to utilise existing POS hardware, so they can swap between a cashier-manned EPOS or a customer-facing self-checkout. Alternatively, dedicated hardware can be installed for a permanent self-checkout lane. A single sales assistant can supervise multiple self-checkout kiosks, assisting consumers when needed. Self-checkout kiosks can lower operational costs, allowing retailers to redeploy employees to other valuable tasks. From the welcome screen, the customer has the option to either add a fuel sale, start to scan items using the barcode scanner, or add articles that don't have barcodes by the use of multiple quick choice keys. From the sales screen, a customer can add or remove items in the basket, add a fuel transaction, or move directly to payment. If required, they can request operator assistance or even switch language in real time. A prompt for loyalty can be shown, and the system can be branded with your company logo. If a customer needs to use the Quick Choice article buttons, they are simple for them to navigate around and offer simple amendment options. Once the customer is ready, they can then select how they wish to pay for the transaction. In most cases, retailers, for simplicity, will restrict self-checkout to just card transactions, but with the integration of additional hardware, cash transactions can also be offered. With the flexibility and strong functionality offered by Fuel POS, both as an EPOS and self-checkout system, the addition of DX Retail to effectively manage your complete EPOS estate will ensure continuity across your whole network. As a fuel station owner and operator, you understand the challenges of managing point of sale systems, particularly across multiple sites. Keeping the systems consistent, up to date, and collecting and managing data from all your stations can be difficult to manage and time consuming. DX Retail makes it easy. Powered by Microsoft Azure Cloud Services and intelligent edge technology. DX Retail is a modern, easy to use platform that allows you to make point of sale adjustments quickly and implement changes and updates across your entire network with a single push of a button. Being able to deploy changes across your network from one centralized platform reduces overall service costs and easily synchronizes standards across your entire network. DX Retail also allows you to create specific groups for different fuel POS terminal locations in order to make convenient targeted updates. DX Retail makes it easy to manage articles, such as configuring article button images and multiple locations. The easy-to-use platform also gives you on-demand access to reports and data from all your stations, giving you visibility of site operation activities, reducing costs and boosting your bottom line. Now, you only need one partner for all your forecourt content management needs. TSG UK.